All right, y'all, we got Little Tijuana right there. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. Got them tacos, got that hot sauce in here. And look at that funnel cake sizzling. Little, yeah. Here in right here. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are in Newark, New Jersey, and I'm over here near the Prudential Center. And of course, every winter they do a thing called the Winter Village, where they have the ice skating rink out here. They have the igloos right there behind me. The igloos, they don't need to be heated today. Check out this one, y'all. Check this out, we're gonna go just take a round. Oh, it's pretty warm in here. Check it out, you can bring the family around. You can bring the family, chill out in the igloo. Got the little tree there. Got the couch, y'all. Look, families are here. This is pretty cool. And y'all know they got the food. Check it out. I don't know if I want to go. I think I've been to that taco spot before, but if I have, I'm going again. And look, y'all, we're gonna have to check out some funnel cakes. Who doesn't love funnel cakes? There's gotta be one person out there that don't like funnel cakes. Let us know who you are. So let's check it out, man. We're out here. All right, y'all, we got Little Tijuana right there. What they got? It's all Mexican? You got tacos? Oh, we gonna do the tacos, y'all. There it is, y'all. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good.
Tastes better. Tastes way better.
All right, y'all, we got it. As a YouTuber, y'all, I want to tell y'all this because I know some of my friends on here are YouTubers. As a YouTuber, just getting set up, sometimes, I'm not gonna say it's a hassle because I absolutely love doing this, but you just gotta get set up. I'm actually sweating now. It's 50, I feel like it's 55, 56. I got 3 tacos in the water. It came to $17. I don't want to drop this, y'all. Look at that right there. Got them tacos, got that hot sauce in here. Oh yeah, I think this is the hot sauce. He asked me, did I want mild for, I'm always getting sauce. I'm gonna be the guy that don't know what sauce I got, huh? Oh, whatever sauce that is. That joke is spicy, yo. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but this is, that's the good sauce right there. Once again, y'all can see the limes in there. If the tacos drop, I'm gonna pick them up real quick. That's my thumbnail. All right, let's dig into these, man. I'm gonna do the pork with the pineapples first. Am I talking too loud? Let's do the pork with the pineapples, okay? And I like the way this taco made. You can see it got the little grease in there. That's good, y'all. I didn't put any hot sauce on it yet, but that's good. I like the way the pineapples are giving it that sweetness. That's good. Okay. So, I'm gonna just take a bite from each one first. I think this one is the pork too, but it looked like the pork was prepared different. More like a, I don't know if it was a fried pork, but that's what it looked like, fried pork. I'm gonna dip this one in that little spicy sauce. Just a little lip of that taco. See, I don't know what type of, how they made that pork, but this one is better. Like this chicharron, it tastes more like it's more flavor. I think I had this one before. See how I look inside of this one? That one's a better one. Let me see. Before I go and judge it, hold up. Yeah, this one has a better taste to it. Hold up. Hold on. Yeah. This one seemed like it was fried more. I'm not gonna spend all day on it. I'm gonna eat this one though. We'll try the chicken one next. And then I'm going to get some goodies. I'm gonna add the lime to it. I'm gonna eat some chicken now. And then I'm gonna go back to that one piece of pork that I was just eating. So, let's go for the chicken one. See, now that's chicken. You know, that right there, that's chicken right there, right? That's chicken. Let me just eat a piece of. Y'all see the reason I'm looking at it, because I'm like, is that chicken? You ever eat chicken that tastes like pork? Someone's gonna be like, they made it on the same grill. That's chicken, y'all. Let me stop playing. I loved two of the 3 tacos. I like the chicken. The one that has the pork with the pineapple is something about that pineapple that adds that good sweetness to it. All right, let's get ready to go over here to the funnel cakes and see what they got there. This place right here is here from Wednesday to Sunday, right through when the winter wonderland ends. We'll find out when this thing ends. I think it might be January. Oh, he pouring it in. Pouring it in. Oh, look at it. It's floating. Okay, sizzle. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good eating. The steam coming off him. Look at it. He's about to pull it off. Oh, it's floating by itself. Oh.
Sí, falta loco.
That's the good stuff, y'all. That's that diet sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. That looks good. That's too much sugar on here. Why y'all eating too much sugar? Shh, I'm gonna whisper, y'all. Don't tell my doctor. Y'all be putting too much sugar on stuff. Look. Hold up. How I'm gonna do this, y'all? I gotta let y'all see. I'm gonna have to do it like this and then back up a little bit. Let's back it up. Y'all can't really see. I'm gonna just break a piece off, bring it up top. That one just fell on the seat. I'm not eating that, y'all. We'll leave this one for the birds. Look. Have you ever had bad funnel cake? I'm gonna dip some of that sugar off. Hold on, let me even come back a little bit more. I gotta let y'all be able to see the funnel cake. If I slide back anymore, I'm gonna fall off. And that video is gonna go viral. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. Thanks to all of our subscribers who've gotten us over 10,000 subscribers. Yo, I am so happy for you guys. This is all happening because of you. You know I'm out here creating content, but I've been creating content for years. But it's because of you that support it, man. Big up to yourself. Give yourself a hand. I need a bag, man. Am I gonna be able to eat all of this? Oh, this funnel cake was $10. It was $10. This is your man, Matt DB. See you guys at the next one. Thank you. Peace. I just ended the video like 3 times, right?